Dear all, I am Dr. Brihaspati Shekdel. Today I am talking about etiological profile and management of epistaxis in tertiary care hospital. Let's see what is the epistaxis. Just see the video here. I open the video, right nasal cavity. We are going, just see the nasal cavity, please. These are the cavity. You have to know any structure now. Now onward, you have to familiar with this structure. Yes, you know the atlas anatomy, just medial wall, but now see the real scenario. What can be seen? Okay, this is the endoscopic picture. If you any fast, please stop me. This is the medial turbinate. You can see here. There is an inferior turbinate here. And there is a bleeding. You can see the small spot bleeding. Patient come most of the time like this. Okay, see. If you go inside, know the structure too. Inside we have the nasal cavity. This almost this the my technique is a flyover technique. We have to go from the in between the middle turbinate and the middle turbinate up little nozzle wall here and septum this side. This way I can go inside nasal cavity, try to understand with nasal cavity side कता छ तपाईले जान्नुपर्छ है कुन नाकमा हो यो भन्ने जान्नुपर्छ चित्र देख्ने बित्तिकै. This the endoscopic picture is difficult but try to understand now one word. See inside there is a bleeding. There is a, you can see the bleeding. This is a real scenario patient. Okay, you can see so much bleeding side up and up. It is very easy to say side of the building, but you can see so much area there is a bleeding, diffuse bleeding type of bleeding here. If you see the rib nasal cavity here, now other nasal cavity, okay, why septal sphere, there is a breaking line here. देख्नु भएको छ यो बोन देब्रेतिर आइरहेछ, that is a spur. यो अट्याचमेन्ट कुरा हुन्छ. यहाँ तपाईले एनाटोमी आफै जान्नु पर्यो. अहिले मैले त्यो पार्टमा पढाउन लागिन. सो नजल क्याभिटी, इफ यु गो इनसाइड यु हैव टु भेरी स्टिक. यहाँ माथि यहाँ जाँदाखेरि स्ट्रेट हुनुपर्छ. पोस्टेरियर टु क्लियर लाइन, मेरो डिफरेन्स भेरी क्लियर छ. क्लियर लाइन भन्दा पछाडिबाट बिल्डिङ हुन्छ. पोस्टेरियर एपिस्टासिस त्यो भन्दा एन्टेरियर हुन्छ नि. एन्टेरियर एपिस्टासिस तपाईले यति भन्नुभयो भने मलाई केही पनि चाहिदैन. नेक्स्ट क्वेशन मैले सोध्दै सक्दिन, बट यु हैव टु नो व्हाट इज क्लियर लाइन. दिस द होमवर्क फर यु. I will ask the next my class. Okay, you can see the spur here again. See the bleeding area, so much area bleeding. This is the diffuse bleeding in the both nasal cavity. Now I am not able to see inside. So what I did is I did the bipolar cauterization. This is the bipolar cautery. See the paddle, how we control. This is the spore area bleeding. So I just give cautery. This is only 25 setting. If you want to know more cautery, I am making the video. Just go the video, say in the YouTube. You can take it. You can able to understand. This is small point. I have to give the bipolar cautery. Okay, current flow between 2 point only. This kind. Now most of the area I cauterize so many places. Okay, not one places. Like we talk about only one place. There's a Kesselweg plexus. Some night is called a Ostrov plexus. But see the bleeding area. Most of the area, it is bleeding from the septum. It is bleeding from the inferior turbinate. Also from the part of the anterior part of the medial turbinate. See 3-4 area bleeding. So now theoretically, yes, bleeding कहाँबाट भइरहेछ. यो त evidence based medicine हो. हाम्रो बिरामीहरुमा bleeding septumबाट पनि भइरहेछ. यता inferior turbinate भइरहेछ, उबाट भइरहेछ. So you have to know the book and see other bleeding area भन्यो भने हजुरहरुले यो एरियाबाट bleeding हुन्छ भन्न सक्नु पर्यो. Okay. And what is the solution? Yes, in department we started doing the bipolar cauterization, visualization endoscopically here, all most of the cases, all cases. Okay. So protocol in our department as an emergency intern, तपाईहरु इन्टर्नमा आएपछि यो काम जान्नै पर्छ. इन्डोस्कोपी सबै पेशेन्टको यसरी हेर्छ. इन्डोस्कोपमा ब्लिडिङ छ भने कटराइज गर्छ. यदि posterior bleeding in some cases select posterior for the sphenopalatine artery ligation. This is our department planning, and we are doing successfully this kind of epistaxis last 3-4 years. Okay, percent. Okay, in this population, yes, it is sometimes minor bleeding, but you already see there is a major bleeding, and very clear and life-threatening situation here. It can. We are seeing so many bad scenario with epistaxis. Okay. You have to very clear in this word: primary, anterior, posterior, primary, secondary. Okay, these are the order. You have to know what is the anterior epistaxis, what is the posterior epistaxis, what is the primary epistaxis, secondary epistaxis. Now coming childhood epistaxis and also adult epistaxis. So many classification you have to very clear in the definition. Yes, these are the thing. Yes, there you see here. Just focus. What are the different type of modality? Pinching of the nose, chemical cutting, anterior nasal packing. These are the thing we can do. So I already highlight maxillary or external carotid ligation. They are done to control refractory epistaxis. In our department, we are not doing this kind of work because it's not required. Initially in 2008, we do some maxillary artery ligation, not our college, but outside, means Eastern Nepal when I studied, but now there is no need of this kind of external artery ligation. What we do nowadays after Hopkins rod telescope develop endoscopic spinopalatine artery ligation done with high success rate. Our end we have 95% success rate, only one patient bleeding in the within after the this kind of procedure. So this is the procedure we do if there is a posterior epistaxis. Some detail, we did the 78 patient study in our department. These are the data from the emergency department, ENT department, I referral case from the different department. Actually other data we are taken from us and we calculated what our thing here. See, almost male and female. Male are more 50%, means 64% more male patient bleeding than female. Okay, most common see 21 to 31 year. We have the successive other research project also. I think two research projects. One is spinopalatine artery ligation, other endoscopy method of epistaxis. There are so many site of epistaxis. If you see most common site here, you can see the 29% here, 29, other is 30%. Okay, almost equal in right and left. Some cases coming in the bilateral too. Okay. We try to analyze the causal factor in our department. So most of the cause is not known. See, 34.6% patients don't have any cause. If you do endoscopy, you see they and other. We try to see the associated factor, nothing. Okay. Yes, traumatic case also will get with epistaxis. 29% of cases, and yes, some cases most posterior epistaxis associated with the hypertension. Our series is only 20% of the cases hide the epistaxis. Yes, spore I showed just before slide video. Spore occur in the 6 cases. Okay, other also there is some bleeding polyp. One case hemangioma is there. Some cases have the blood dyskereusia too. What are the different modality of treatment we did our department? Let's see here. Some cases I only helped by oxymethazoline nozzle drop. See, other we did some chemical cautery. So you have to know this all the treatment option we did. Okay, anything can be asked. FGL, we put the FGL left there. सबैजना इन्डोस्कोपी गर्न सक्ने बिरामी बिना हुँदैन, कसैलाई पैसाको समस्या हुन्छ, त्यस्तो बेलामा हामी अब सबभन्दा सानो ट्रिटमेन्टबाट सुरु गर्छौँ. ओके, एफजेलबाट सुरु गर्छौँ. अब एफजेलले भयो भने अरु किन अघि जानु पर्यो, त्यसपछि भयो भने प्याकिङ गर्छ. यु स्टार्टेड द मेरोसिल प्याकिङ, स्पोन्ज प्याकिङ, देन bipolar cautery. Already you see the figure. If not helped by spinopalatine artery ligation, if there is a nozzle bone fracture, then reduce the nozzle bone. If there is a tumor, we remove the tumor. If spur there, septoplasty. If some polyp, bleeding polyp there, hemangioma there, we do the face. Yes, some cases require blood transfusion to see the blood transfusion ratio in our department. Okay, after we get the cases, there is no hardly some cases require blood transfusion. Okay, initial day is so much. Every cases हामीले ब्लड अर्डर गर्थ्यौं. अहिले त स्थिति पनि छैन, ब्लड चाहिन. 10 भन्दा तल डिपार्टमेन्टमा हामीले ब्लड हाल्दैनौं. ओके, see the bleeding point here. There is a diffuse bleeding. You can see is the left nodular cavity. I'm not able to go inside here. यहाँ के हुन्छ इन्डोस्कोप जाँदा यहाँबाट छोटिन्छ, ठोक्किन्छ, भित्र जान सकिन्न, इन्डोस्कोपमा ब्लड पड्यो भने देख्दै देख्दैन. So it's difficult. Next issue is how can we put the FGL? See this is done around 2012. So see, very easier. OPD हजुरहरूले नै गर्न सक्छ इन्टर्न हुँदाखेरिमा. Like it's very easy. You see the nodular speculum, thodiculum, and Killian speculum, whatever you like. This is the way we put. This is the Killian. Just put here. This posterior. You can see here very easily. This is the other video. You can see there is an entire nozzle packing by Rivan Gies on their day around 2012 to 15. After 15, impregnated with the antibiotic. Okay, so that there is no more infection and patient should be admitted in the ward. These are the initial portion. Now we are not doing this kind of portion. We pack with the Merosil. See, this is the Merosil pack. You can see here, nose is already packed with the Merosil. I have so many video of the packing by Merosil, but I didn't get here. Other, we already know spinopalatine artery ligation. What my style is, there is a bleeding point. You can see here, specific bleeding there, bleeding here. You can see. So I cauterize this area. This is spur coming. So first time we cauterize bipolar. Then if not help, then go the spinopalatine artery ligation. These are not required for you. These are the figure. You can see. I did the spinopalatine artery ligation by this the bipolar cautery. This is the figure you can see. This way we can control. This is the by endoscopically you can see inside and cauterized by bipolar. Yes, there is a clipping method to. If this kind of not helping, we go further. SPL ligation. If there is a tumor, what to do? See, if there is a tumor, some mass cases will come. There is a this series we see the 2 hemangioma, 1 inverted papilloma, 1 nodal polyp. And there is a nodal polyp class. We will discuss that time. But hemangioma, if there is a bleeding from the hemangioma, this is the inverted papilloma. This is the papilloma growth in the left maxillary sinus. We remove all the maxillary sinus. Is the intra-op picture of the maxillary sinus with the disease here. We all things removed by the, drilling all the area. Some old video you can see blood is pooling here. You can see here so much blood is coming here. Okay, this coming in the posterior part. If you can see the polyp, some polyp is coming. Okay, this is the hemangioma. We remove this hemangioma. You can see the hemangioma. Then bleeding is stopped. These are this way. There's so many pieces we take out. See the hemangioma. Okay. Histopathology report come to be this is the hemangioma. This is one of the cause doing bleeding in nose. So need of research is very, very important. Epistaxis should be emphasized to prevent hypovolemic shock. Conclusion is epistaxis common otolaryngological emergency. हाम्रोमा आउने बिरामीहरू already coming to tertiary care हुन्छ, क्लिनिकबाट आउँछ, अरू प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेन्टर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हस्पिटल आउँछ, त्यो भन्दा सिभियर नजल ट्रमा एन्ड हाइपरटेन्सन prompt management institute according to the cases. Treatment depend amount and site of bleeding. See, कोही केस चाहिँ सजिलो हुन्छ, कोही केस एकदमै गाह्रो हुन्छ. Most common cause are managed by non-surgical method.